Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can change passcode lock on Tango. So let's get started. Firstly, open Tango app in your device. Then tap on your profile icon. Next tap on privacy. After that, tap on passcode lock. Then you can see the option of change passcode. Tap on it. Then add passcode of your choice. After that, re-enter passcode. So this is how you can change passcode lock on Tango. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day, so do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.